Introduction. The Bill of Rights is a cornerstone of American democracy, safeguarding key freedoms and serving as a fundamental part of the U.S. Constitution. History of the Bill of Rights. Creation and ratification. The Bill of Rights was introduced by James Madison to the First United States Congress in 1789 as a series of constitutional amendments. The purpose was to address objections raised by the Anti-Federalists during the ratification of the Constitution. Of the original 12 amendments, 10 were ratified by the states and became known as the Bill of Rights in 1791. The purpose of the Bill of Rights. Protection of individual liberties. The primary purpose of the Bill of Rights is to protect individual liberties against infringement by the government. These rights include freedom of speech, religion, and the press, the right to a fair trial, and the right to bear arms, among others. Limitation of government power. The Bill of Rights also serves to limit the power of the government. It does this by explicitly stating what the government cannot do, such as prohibiting the government from conducting unreasonable searches and seizures or from imposing cruel and unusual punishments. The amendments. The Bill of Rights consists of the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution. Here's a brief overview. First Amendment. Protects the freedom of speech, religion, and the press, and the right to assemble and petition the government. Second Amendment. Protects the right to keep and bear arms. Third Amendment. Prohibits the government from quartering troops in private homes without the owner's consent. Fourth Amendment. Protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Fifth Amendment. Sets out rights related to criminal prosecutions, including due process, double jeopardy, self-incrimination, and eminent domain. Sixth Amendment. Guarantees the right to a fair trial. Seventh Amendment. Preserves the right to a jury trial in civil cases. Eighth Amendment. Prohibits excessive fines, excessive bail, and cruel and unusual punishment. Ninth Amendment. States that people have other rights, even if they are not specifically mentioned in the Constitution. Tenth Amendment. Asserts that powers not delegated to the federal government are reserved for the states or the people. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Bill of Rights plays a crucial role in the U.S. Constitution by protecting individual freedoms and limiting government power. Its creation marked a significant moment in American history, and its impact continues to be felt in legal and political debates today. Please note that this is a simplified explanation and the actual mechanisms can be much more complex. It's always recommended to consult with a legal expert when navigating these topics.